I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from Orange to Movistar, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Gather your information. Before starting the porting process, make sure you have your Orange account details handy, including your phone number and account number. Step 2. Contact Movistar. Reach out to Movistar through their website or customer service to initiate the porting request. They will guide you through the necessary steps and provide you with a new SIM card. Step 3. Complete the porting form. Fill out the porting form provided by Movistar. You allow me to enter your personal details and the number you wish to port. Double check everything to avoid delays. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, wait for confirmation from Movistar. This usually takes a few hours to a couple of days. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Step 5. Insert your new SIM. Once you receive confirmation that your number has been ported, insert your new Movistar SIM card into your phone. You may need to restart your device for the changes to take effect. Remember, during the transition, there might be a brief period where you won't have service. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Movistar's support team. Good luck with your new service.